Alright, getting newer footage right now. Mainly of lightning, because I've already... Oh, suck. This is most discouraging. The rain, okay, it was coming down at an okay pace. Now it is coming down and being attacked by moths. If I ever make it out of here, I will make tomorrow count. I'll make my life count. Not like it hasn't, but I just don't spend my time very wisely. Alright, I gotta keep it on the flashes. I am just getting, like, drenched. I think there's still stuff on the lens. Okay, I've officially been waiting for over 20 minutes now. So, I'm going to get soaked. I'm kind of estimating if I make it back, I'll make it back. Once I make it back to take a shower, I keep missing all the cool flashes. When I put it on me, all the cool flashes happen. It's insane. Yeah, I would have to take a shower once I get back. Because I'm going to be basically going through a shower. Is my bag closed up tight? Oh my goodness. Every time I think about leaving, there's another huge flash, and I just thought, ugh. Storm warning. Please tell me the storm. Move it away. There's a river forming right there. I don't think the rain's gonna let up, unfortunately. It's coming down so hard, though. Jeez. I'm just so fearful that as soon as I step out, right here, I'm just gonna boom, I'm gonna go down. Okay. I think it's about time, because it's not letting up. And the thundering has been about the same. I'm going to be so drenched by the time I get back to my apartment. It doesn't even matter how fast I go, I'm gonna be drenched. Because I don't have my raincoat. I know! Well, 10 straight days, and then on the 11th day, it just... Oh my gosh. Okay, I will stay put. That was like right overhead. This is some insane weather. That was literally like right overhead. I'm not going anywhere right now. That was a sure sign of don't go anywhere. You will get killed. Holy cows. Did you see that? It looked like daylight out there. Okay, see, that one was like literally only about half mile or less away. So I'm definitely gonna chill out. Because the lightning is just everywhere. This is insane. Okay. I think the lightning. Oh, there it is. Every time I think it's okay, then it's like, oh, nope. That's about a mile or so away. What would really suck is if it's a mile or so away in the direction that I'm heading. Why did I have to read that article? Actually, even if I hadn't read that article, I'd probably still be doubting whether I should leave. Okay. I think it's starting to calm down. Watch. Huge boom. It's definitely gotten quieter though. Even the rain's kind of chilled out a little bit. It even feels calmer. Alright, this has been fun. If I make it back.